While working as a game designer, you're required to be highly communicative and collaborative, while simultaneously upholding the vision of the game. How do you manage all of that?
Hmm. This is a big question, actually. In larger firms, you have a lot of bridge roles, and the bridge roles basically are there to ensure that the vision is kept in the same manner. Usually, in smaller studios, like the ones I've worked at, for example, you have one vision setter, and people who are looking for direction usually ask direction questions towards their own idea. Everything depends on the core vision, right? What you need to do is find keywords for those specific departments. For programmers, for example, you need to give them very clear keywords that are important for your own gameplay, that are core to your pillars, and they are not probably ever going to change on a whim. So you need to give them. So we're going to have two weapons, one primary and one secondary. And primary is always going to be stronger, secondary is always going to be weaker. Secondaries can be things like pistols, but they can also be things like a hook gun, for example. And when you combine all of those things, you have those pools of keywords that are people working with, and those keywords you need to keep them up to date with the vision as well. Sometimes one of those keywords could change, but most of the time you should have those pillars that are set in stone, that are always reliable, so that those big changes, when they come, they never shake your foundation. They're always towards the vision.